Starting your own food truck is an exciting opportunity to share your passion for food, delight your customers' taste buds, and build a successful career on your own terms. If you love cooking, have strong skills in food preparation, and dream of being your own boss, this could be the perfect path for you. With more people seeking unique and convenient dining experiences, the demand for creative and delicious food truck offerings is higher than ever. Whether you want to serve gourmet burgers, tacos, desserts, or a full-service mobile dining experience, there are endless ways to structure your menu and build a loyal customer base. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to get started, from choosing your food truck specialty and setting up your kitchen to marketing your brand and building a thriving food business. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons to help you decide if this is the right path for you. Starting a food truck generally requires less initial investment compared to a traditional restaurant. You can avoid expensive rent and overhead costs, focusing primarily on the truck, equipment, and permits. This makes it a more affordable option for those looking to enter the food industry without taking on a lot of financial risk. One of the major perks of owning a food truck is the ability to move your business to different locations. Whether it's a busy city street, a food festival, or a private event, you can reach a wide variety of customers. This mobility allows you to experiment with different spots and adapt quickly based on demand. A food truck gives you the freedom to design a unique menu and explore different culinary ideas. You can offer niche dishes, cater to specific dietary needs, and keep your offerings fresh by changing the menu to reflect seasonal trends or customer preferences. Running a food truck allows for close personal engagement with customers. You can receive immediate feedback, build relationships, and create loyal customers who are more likely to spread the word about your food. This direct connection helps foster a strong, community-based brand. While starting a food truck offers many exciting benefits, it's important to also consider the challenges that come with this mobile business to ensure it's the right fit for you. Unlike a brick-and-mortar restaurant with a steady stream of customers, food truck revenue can vary greatly depending on the location, time of year, and local events. Bad weather, slow days, or changes in foot traffic can impact your income, making it harder to predict and manage cash flow. Running a food truck requires a significant amount of time and effort. From prepping food and cooking to handling customer service, managing finances, and maintaining the truck itself, you'll often find yourself working long, physically demanding hours. It can be especially exhausting during busy events or festivals. Navigating the legal and regulatory requirements for operating a food truck can be complex and time-consuming. Different cities, counties, or states have varying rules about permits, health inspections, parking restrictions, and zoning laws, which can create obstacles and delays when setting up your business or moving to new locations. While these challenges may seem daunting, having the right tools and preparation can help you overcome them and set your food truck business up for success. The most obvious necessity is a food truck itself. You'll need a well-equipped, fully functional truck that meets local health and safety standards. It should have proper kitchen appliances, storage space, and ventilation to handle your menu and ensure smooth operations. Operating a food truck requires various permits and licenses, including health permits, business licenses, and possibly food handling certifications. These requirements vary by location, so you'll need to research and apply for the necessary approvals before you can start serving customers. A carefully thought-out menu is key to attracting customers. Your menu should be unique, manageable in a small kitchen, and tailored to your target audience. Focus on offering dishes that can be made quickly while still delivering great flavor and quality. Stocking your food truck with the right supplies is crucial for smooth operations. This includes cooking utensils, food storage containers, disposable packaging, cleaning supplies, and a reliable POS system for taking orders and payments. Keeping your truck well stocked ensures efficiency and helps you serve customers quickly. Starting a food truck requires more than just great recipes and a vehicle. You'll need to meet all legal requirements before hitting the road. In the U.S., food truck operators must obtain several permits and certifications to operate legally. Most states require a food handler's permit for anyone preparing or serving food, and if you have employees, they'll need proper certification as well. A business license is necessary to legally operate, along with a health department permit to ensure your truck meets food safety and sanitation standards. You may also need a fire department inspection if your truck has cooking equipment that uses propane or open flames. In many areas, you'll need a commissary agreement, which means partnering with a licensed commercial kitchen for food prep and storage. Some cities require parking permits or vending permits that dictate where and when you can operate. If you plan to sell beverages like soda or bottled drinks, a sales tax permit may also be required. Structuring your business as an LLC or sole proprietorship can help protect your personal assets and simplify taxes. Since regulations vary by state and city, it's crucial to check local laws to ensure your food truck is fully compliant and ready to serve customers. If you need help registering your food truck, check the link in the description for our step-by-step guide on getting started in each U.S. state. Now that we've covered the legal requirements and you're ready to launch your food truck, let's talk about building your online presence. A website is essential for sharing your menu, updating your location, and making it easy for customers to find you. IKOL is a great platform for food trucks, offering all the tools you need to run your business seamlessly. With IKOL, you can manage orders, send invoices, and even accept payments online. It's an all-in-one solution that lets you focus on serving great food, while IKOL takes care of the tech. To get started, head over to IKOL.com, click Get Started, and select Restaurant. From there, search for Food Truck, choose the type of products and services you offer, and follow the simple steps to set up your website. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully functional site where customers can view your menu, track your location, and place orders. Once your site is live, customers can easily place orders online, making the entire buying process smoother. Plus, IKOL AI Assistant can help turn website visitors into loyal customers, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to boost sales. It's that easy. Now you're all set to grow your food truck business with a professional online presence. For more customization tips, check out our tutorial playlist on our YouTube channel. When it comes to promoting your food truck, using the right advertising strategies will help you attract more customers and grow your business. Here are some key ways to get noticed. Since your food truck serves a local audience, focus on advertising in high-traffic areas. Hand out flyers near offices, parks, and busy shopping districts, or partner with local businesses to cross-promote. Attending farmers markets, festivals, and community events is also a great way to increase visibility. Social media is one of the best ways to showcase your food truck and connect with potential customers. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are perfect for sharing mouth-watering food photos, daily locations, and behind-the-scenes content. Running targeted ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Google can help you reach hungry customers in your area. Use high-quality images, special promotions, and clear calls to action to encourage people to visit your truck. Geo-targeted ads are especially useful for letting nearby food lovers know where you're parked. Stay connected with your customers through email and SMS marketing. Send out weekly schedules, exclusive deals, and special event announcements to keep them engaged. You can also set up a loyalty program, offering discounts or freebies after a certain number of visits. Personalized messages make customers feel appreciated and encourage repeat business. Starting a food truck is an exciting journey, and with the right marketing strategies, you can build a loyal customer base and a thriving business. By combining local outreach, social media marketing, and digital advertising, you'll create a strong brand that keeps customers coming back. So if you're ready to take your food truck to the next level, start implementing these advertising strategies today. We can't wait to see your business grow. IKOL, AI for Business.